Welcome to the new Carbonwurks Audi R8.
Make sure you stick around because we're only getting warmed up.
I kept the faith, keeping the faith, I know you got it. Yeah, out of my way, give me some space, just family around me.
So for those eagle-eyed amongst you, you've probably realised this isn't our first Audi R8, and you'd be right in thinking so. So we actually had the pre-facelift Audi R8, which was black, and we got that one I think in around 2017, 16, long time ago now. But this is the new facelift version. Well, I say the new facelift version, they've officially stopped making them now, but there's plenty in circulation, which is the reason we've picked this one up here to be our development car. So let's talk a little bit about this particular vehicle. So this being the facelift version, you've got slightly different front and rear bumpers, also different side skirts as well. So a few little adjustments compared to the pre-facelift. This particular car is actually a performance carbon black edition. Bit wordy and mouthy, I know, but bear with me. It's already got a lot of carbon fibre on it, so front splits, side skirts, mirrors, blades, diffuser and so on at the back end. It's got quite a bit, but all of those bits are going to come off, and we're going to do what we do best here at Carbonwurks, and that's put on a carbon fibre pack on the exterior. So we've actually been working on a carbon fibre pack for some time now, and it's now got to the point where those bits are pretty much ready to go on the car. There's one final piece of the puzzle to that, which I won't spoil just yet, but that is going to effectively enhance the exterior look of the car. And we're also upgrading a few other elements as well that we're also quite good at doing. So suspension is one of them, and also a bit of an exterior, or I should say engine bay pack, as well as an engine bay pack. I'm going to move around position to show you a few other features on the car. So the other thing that I was going to show you, if you follow me over here, is some hero who owned this car beforehand has actually installed a Carbonwurks fuel flap. Well, that's a good start, isn't it? I feel like this was meant to be this car. We're actually redesigning this fuel flap, so bear with us on that one and you'll see a slightly different design. I'm going to take you over to one other feature on the back, and then we can get into actually doing some bits on this car. This car has already had a Quicksilver exhaust system, which you might struggle to see, but if you look through the vents there, you can see some nice pipe work where it's been breathed on by the guys at Quicksilver. As you guys probably know, we are a big advert of Quicksilver exhaust, and we've done quite a few over the years now, so it sounds great already, and it's already got some Carbonwurks carbon fibre on it. What more could you want? So I'm really looking forward to this. We're actually just about to get this into the workshop and do a bit of work on it right now. As I said, we're not going to release all of these videos over the course of a month or two. We're actually going to release them in a short space of time. So we're going to bank the content, and then you guys, if you like and subscribe, keep viewing on the channel, you'll see a lot of these videos coming out of the build process. So anyway, enough of this. It's a cold summer's morning apparently, believe it or not. Get this in the workshop, let's get it underway. I can't wait. Hope you guys enjoy it.